Hello, my name is Greg Pally. I'm with West Roofing Systems, and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. In today's episode, we're going to talk about 3 costly mistakes building owners make with their roof. I mean, these mistakes hurt the wallet tremendously, so they're very important. The first thing is avoiding maintenance. When they get a commercial roof, they pay a bunch of money for it. Maybe they do maintenance because they got sold on it the first year or two. Nothing really major is happening, so they cut the expense immediately. 15 years down the road, the roof's underwater, it's unrestorable, and they're forced to do a complete tear off. I know in the blog post, there'll be a link to it below. It goes to an example. If you would pay, $1,000 a year in maintenance, I know it's steep, but that's what it is. But if you pay over 15 years, it's only 15 grand. Instead of having to be at that point where you avoided maintenance, avoided that $1,000 a month payment, but now your roof's so bad it can't be restored with foam or coating, they have to rip it all off and pay $10 a square foot. I think in the example, it's like, pay the 15,000 bucks or pay like $70,000 15 years down the road. So read the blog post, you get more details about that. But avoiding maintenance, I mean, just like your car, would you not change the oil in your car? And what would happen if you didn't? Your car would probably eventually blow up, or your motor would blow up, and at that point, is it you're probably just going to have to buy a whole new car instead of paying for the oil changes, every 3,000 miles or whatever. So very similar to your car doing maintenance, but doing it with your commercial roof, it's a big no-no. Second thing is not considering all roofing systems. Most people are familiar with the TPOs and the EPDMs and the rubber roofs and all that. And some people think that, hey, if I want to get a new roof, I'm just going to continue to get that because that's just what I know. Maybe it's what's worked kind of before. But there's other roofing systems that have advantages over other ones. If you have a flat roof with not a lot of many penetrations, skylights, pipes, drains, maybe a single ply roof or TPO is a good option for you. But we see many roofs that have vertical walls, they have parapet walls, they have drains, they have 10 skylights, they have 5 HVAC units. It's just a fluid applied roofing system would be beneficial, be cheaper to install. It's just a better fit for your project. And if you think about it, if you're rolling a rubber roof out or rolling a TPO roof out, every time it runs to a penetration, you got to custom cut it, use all these termination metal, you got to put all the stuff around it. It slows the install, increases the labor cost for your project. So before you're doing any big commercial roofing project, look at TPO, look at EPDM, look at metal, look at spray foam, look at coatings, do the pros and cons of each one, and maybe there'd be a roofing system that's better fit for your roof. The third thing is choosing the wrong or cheapest contractor out there. I know money's everything, but you don't want to choose a contractor just because they're the cheapest. They might install inferior products. They might not have training. When we install coating from a certain contractor, manufacturer, they train us on how to properly install that. Someone who doesn't have that money invested in that training, might not be able to install the products how they're supposed to be, so they last the warranty. Um, some contractors are a little bit more pricey. They have guys in their team that have been there for 30 years, 25 years, whatever it may be. Yeah, they cost more than a rookie, but the experience in installing a commercial roofing system the right way is something that needs to happen on your roof. You would kick yourself saving 2% on a project because you went with someone cheaper. They install the wrong product, and now they don't answer their phone. They don't want to fix the leak. They don't want to do all this stuff, and it's just because you chose someone a little bit more cheaper. I don't care if the contractor is 5 states away from where I'm at. I want the thing done right, so it's a headache off my plate. I don't want to make that call in 3 years that the roof is leaking after I invested hundreds of $1,000s in a commercial roof. That's really it for today, those 3 points. If you want to learn more about any of these, please click the link in the description below. And thank you for watching this video. Hope you learned something new, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.